Hey, what's up? My name is Kade, and today I'll be giving you my honest review of the Spareparts Joque harness. As always, my reviews are completely honest, so here is my pros and cons list. After you get done with watching this review, if you realize that the Joque harness is good for you, check out the link in the description, and don't forget to use the discount code because discounts rock. I feel like my babe is laughing at me from the other room because I'm just yelling Joque. Joque! I am not French, but when I'm doing this review, I feel like I am because it's the Joque harness. Joque. With this amazing harness, you'll see how reliable it is. Like, I have used this so many times and it has never ever let me down even once. Something that I love about these is you could just slip these on and they will stay in place for you. You could just be having a really nice time. You could be going really hard with a huge toy and it will stay in place. Disclaimer and a trigger warning, I will be talking about a sexual topic because this is a harness for sex and possibly packing, but mostly for the sec. I really enjoy the Spareparts Joque harness as well because I actually have tried to wear these under pants to see what it would look like, to see if you'd be comfortable, and I was surprised because this part and this part, I was a little bit worried to wondering if it would be obvious in pants, but as you can see here, I was wearing some pretty loose joggers and you really can't tell. Another great thing about this harness is it will make your booty pop. Like, that booty be poppin', ooh. If you or your partner is a lover of really big strap-ons and dildos, I highly encourage you check these out. Well, to some extent, because it's able to stretch up to 2 inches around in circumference. So if it's like a heavier or a longer toy, and I highly recommend you really check this out. Like, it will stay up and in place for all of your pleasure. Speaking of strap-ons, the other day, oh my god. So I was on Reddit and I saw this post that shook me. Think about the words strap-on. Spell that in the comments below. Now, in the comments below, spell it in reverse. I'll give you a second. Right? It says no parts. In reverse. I don't know if the person that created the word strap-on had that in mind, but I was like, what? Obviously that's just a joke, but I was thinking about it and I was like, I can't believe I did not figure that out or notice that for so many years. I'm like, excuse me? I have a little 2-incher down there, so don't drag me like that. Another pro is these actually have Velcro rather than I've seen a lot of other harnesses are more of like a belt type system. Like the Velcro, you just snap it in and it stays in place, and you can see like there's a huge size like changing amount that you can use. This one, because there's 2 different size options that you can actually get. So if you go on earlytobed.com and you actually see the 2 different size options, there is a small and a large. And at first you're like, wow, that's not a lot of options. But don't worry, homeboy. Actually, this varies in size so much because of the adjustability with the Velcro. Let's just say I am one thick boy around my hips. Like, naturally, super wide set of hips, hip dysphoria for days, and my boyfriend is, he has a very, very slim waist. We can both use this without any issues, so keep that in mind. So my waist size right now, it actually ended up going to like 35 with that bulk, but I'm slowly going down. Ugh. Like I said before though, it will make your booty pop. At the end of the video, I'll show you my nice booty and what that looks like. Also, it's even super comfortable in between the legs because like the chafing, it can be so real with other harnesses, but this is just so comfortable. I really do love this harness. basically above any other harness that I've tried because of the like all around picture. You'll get the best bang for your buck. If you want to get a lot of banging done, it's worth it. Basically, there is only one con when it comes to this harness. And it's like, it makes sense and it's totally understandable. So it's like, The one con that I noticed when it comes to these is how affordable they are. Because originally I was looking around at like different adult toy stores and things like that. And you know, the toy stores gotta make money too. So they tend to like really rank up the pricing. And so it is a little bit more expensive, but the pro about it is if you actually check out the link in the description, it is still a pretty good price. And if you use that discount code, it saves you additional 10% off. So that's definitely worth the send. It's almost Valentine's Day. If you want to give your partner some reliable but safe rough lovin', go ahead and check out that harness in the description below. And something that's really cool, it's a secret. Shh. That discount code in the description, Kade10, will actually save you a discount on anything from earlytobed.com. So if you wanna go ahead and treat yourself, and it's not necessarily the harness, whether it be a masturbator sleeve or a vibrator, anything, go ahead and save yourself some money and treat yourself. Love yourself. It's Valentine's Day. I know it's not the most fun time of the year, but you can make it. As always, you are beautiful. And check out the playlist I'm about to show you with the rest of my product reviews. I hope you have a great day in peace. Ha!